Now this is very important, that what kind of study material do you use apart from textbook. You really need to use a very good study material to come up with the flying colors in any examination. There are many notes available in the market by the famous publisher, very big names, and you all know how much that was useful for you for your semester 1 examination. And here I will tell you a bare truth, very bluntly, that most of the notes available in the market was not as per the scope of syllabus or the syllabus given by the council, and most of the answers were incorrect. That was adding to the confusion of the students rather than helping them out. So remember that notes and study material provided by your teachers are always better notes. If you want nothing but the best, then I have an answer for that. Use my notes. They are best in the business. No notes, no study material stand even close to the notes which are prepared by me. And I can tell you this with 100% confidence, because I have been preparing these notes for so many years. And as the council change its syllabus, modify its syllabus, and as council keep on changing and modifying the syllabus, I also keep on changing, modifying and upgrading my notes. And what my notes will give you, generally my notes are divided into 3 sections. In first section, I give them a kind of lecture notes which clear all the concepts in their mind, and that too in very simple and lucid language, easy for students to remember. All the complicated information I try to explain with the help of pictures, tree diagrams and the tables. Those concepts will be vivid in your mind for your future standards also, like for your 11th and 12th standard also. So my notes, I can tell you this, on the danke ki chot, not only your concepts will be clear, you will also get tips and tricks to remember all the points of that concept, so that if any question is asked in the examination, you will easily write its answer. And in second section, I give expected questions so that not only the concepts are cleared, but students are also provoked to think out of box. And in last section, I give previous year's question. So if you go through last 10 years question, so you are well prepared for the examination. After going through all 3 sections, now you are well prepared. You know your concept, you know what are the expected questions and what are the questions asked in the examination in last 10 years. In the market, you will get a book which gives you last 10 years question. But in those books, all those questions which are eliminated, which are removed from the syllabus or which are reduced from the syllabus, they are still there. So when students solve that question bank, they are confused. They feel that they are not well prepared for the examination. If you have followed me during the semester 1 examination, you must have seen that all my predictions were correct. All the questions which were there in your semester 1 examination, they were from my question bank, my Super 40 question bank. And this has not happened for the first time. This has been happening year after year for so many years. You can ask my ex-students, they will tell you, yes sir, agreed, your notes are the best notes, your study material is the best. No other study material stands a chance to even reach close to you. But sir, how to get those notes? Don't worry, this is my promise to all of you, that you will get all these notes free of cost. Yes, free of cost on my app, that is PrepWin app, available on the Play Store. On the Play Store, you can type PrepWin or you can type my name, Praveen Sonavne, and you can search for this logo. Download that app and use my notes free of cost. While preparing these notes, I was very conscious about the content. It should be as per the scope of syllabus, as per the reduced syllabus given by the council, so that my dear students don't waste their valuable time in reading or learning unnecessary things. Their preparation is straight to the point. If you follow my notes, no need to study anything else. I remember a day before a biology examination, I have uploaded a Super 40 question bank on the app, and at the same time thousands of students were trying to download that app and that app was crashed. So now I have upgraded my app in such a way that even if 1 million students are trying to download the app and using it, there won't be any problem. Now in last part, I am going to tell you what are my plans for semester 2 examination. Now I am going to tell you how I can be useful for you for your term 2. I have my coaching classes in Mumbai and Thane, and I am already committed to my students. I am committed to my students right from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever time is left other than this time, I am going to give this time to my students on the YouTube. I am really delighted and grateful to receive such a response from these students. And it was lovely to interact with these students during semester 1 examination. So every Saturday at 8 p.m. on YouTube, I will be live with you so that I can clear your doubts, I can answer your questions, and we will have lot of fun and lot of discussion during this time. Apart from coming live on Saturday at 8 p.m., you will also get 3 video lectures every week, and you can have a faith that content quality of this video will be top class. We all want to forget the physics paper which we wrote last week, but I will strongly recommend you all to watch this video, how to score 100% in physics. Here I have given top 7 secrets of physics. Before you touch your physics chapter for semester 2 examination in term 2, I will highly recommend, in fact I will force you all to watch this video on the YouTube. This is one of my best videos so far I have prepared. At the end, I will request you all to spread a word of mouth about our YouTube channel. Please spread and share this video among your friends, with your school teachers and whoever is a stakeholder. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that whenever I upload any new video, you get a notification of that. At the end, I am Praveen Sonavne. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. Bye.